Good morning. If you have decided to study and you want to become a professional hypnotherapist, keep watching our training videos about clinical hypnosis. Hypnotherapy is an effective technique with which you can help and improve the quality of life of a large number of your future patients. Remember, read the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis. And also, you can download several ebooks also free. The information in this video is extracted from our book Direct Clinical Hypnosis, Deep Hypnosis of our publisher Clinical Hypnotherapy, registered with ISBN. Direct Clinical Hypnosis. The Whispering Technique. Whispering. If the conscious mind hears an affirmation, it can accept, reject, or modify it, but the unconscious mind does not have this ability to accept, reject, or modify any affirmation. However, the unconscious does not have this ability to accept, reject, or modify any statement. The unconscious accepts what it is told, as long as the moral code of the patient is respected. In the conscious, we work with the rational part of the patient, psychology. In the unconscious, we work with the emotional part of the patient, hypnosis. That is why it is so important to combine psychology with hypnosis in order to have a doubly effective therapy. When we talk to someone and he or she raises his or her voice too much and continues to raise the volume of it until he or she practically shouts. In order to make our interlocutor lower the volume of his voice, we simply have to lower the volume of our voice, and he will gradually lower his. And we will both end up speaking low, softly, and almost whispering. With whispering, you pay more attention, listen more, and are more attentive to the conversation. There's even a greater physical and mental closeness. You listen and pay more attention to a person who is speaking at a low volume than to a person who is shouting. Whispering is a special communication between therapist and patient. Whispering is more intimate, more private, and more effective. It also increases safety and trust between patient and therapist. Whispering goes directly to the soul, that is, directly to the mind of the patient. In this case, under hypnosis, it will be directly to the unconscious or emotional part of the patient. The whisper has a very important emotional charge, and clinical hypnosis works on the patient's emotions. The words that are most liked are the ones whispered in the ear. The words acquire more importance and require more attention when they are verbalized with a soft whisper in the ear. Whispering is a deeper and more emotional form of communication. We work with this technique when we want to achieve greater therapeutic effects. The whispering technique would be to speak in a very low and soft voice, close to the patient's ear. Whisper in the patient's ear with good emotional intensity all that he or she has to achieve, accomplish, rectify, etc. Development. Listen and feel my words whisper in your ear. Engrave in fire each word I whisper to you. Embed every word I whisper to you deep in your mind. Listen and feel all that I'm about to say to you, like a gentle and pleasant wind rustling through the leaves of the trees. Life is about priorities, and your top priority is to recover, to restore yourself, to heal, to overcome all your fears, 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 to overcome all your fears. Heal and overcome all your fears. I have given everything to help you. Now I only wait for you. Everything depends on you. If you want, you can. Willing is power, and you want to recover. You want to restore you. You want to heal you and overcome all your fears. You are going to get it. You deserve it. You deserve to recover. You deserve to be restored. You deserve to heal and conquer all your fears. You deserve it. Whisper version. As you breathe and relax, your unconscious is making all the precise and necessary adjustments for you to more easily achieve each of your goals, setting those goals one at a time to finally reach the desired goal, which is to recover, restore yourself, heal and overcome all your fears. You must free yourself from the burden of the past to improve the present and turn it into a hopeful future. As you walk towards the achievement of your goals, know that the resources you need are within you. If you want, you can. It is up to you. Will is power, and you want to recover. You want to restore yourself. You want to heal and overcome all your fears. Very soon, you will have amazing results, and you will achieve better results in your life faster and more effectively. These two exercises can be applied separately, or they can also be combined perfectly. Within direct clinical hypnosis, the whispering technique can be applied in a very important part of the treatment. In the treatment, we have primary and secondary exercises. The primary exercises are cognitive, behavioral, self-concept, post-hypnotic, of self-esteem, self-control, etc. Among these, we have one of utmost importance, as it is a summary of everything that the patient must do, rectify, or improve. This would be the post-hypnotic order exercise, which can be carried out using the whispering technique. This way, the post-hypnotic order will have much more effect than if it is said in a conventional way. In short, the whispering technique would be a treatment enhancer, that is, it enhances the therapeutic effects of the therapy. If you're interested in learning more about clinical hypnosis, watch our next video, Direct Clinical Hypnosis, Diagnosis and Treatment Part 1. Remember to read the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes on clinical hypnosis, and also you can download several free ebooks. If you have any questions, add them in the comments area. On this topic and many others we'll talk about in the next video. So, if you're interested, do not miss our next videos. Thank you very much.